Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Jason here and I'm going to show you how you can easily retrieve the Windows license key from the BIOS so that you can use it whatever you want. You can use it on a virtual machine. You can sell it if you're not going to use Windows anymore. As this is my case, I'm currently using Linux. This is specifically OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. I'm going to show you real quick. So with NeoFetch, you can see that I'm currently using OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, and this is my laptop, so I'm not gonna need Windows 11 anymore. But just in case I want to use it, I have an ISO somewhere on my documents. Here it is. I have the Windows 10 ISO image, so I can use this key for the virtual machine, or I can just save the license key if that's what I want. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you how to retrieve the key. So the key is located in this file on every Linux system, so it doesn't matter if you are using OpenSUSE or if you're using KDE Neon, or if you're using Ubuntu or Debian or any other distribution. The location is going to be this one, and I'm going to leave it on the comments below so that you can just get this path and use your favorite command line or console terminal in order to get your license key. So in order to do it, all you have to do before moving forward, I have to tell you that this is the OEM key. So that's the main reason why you find some Windows license keys in 20, 30, $40, while Microsoft is selling it in above the hundreds. Is because those are not like a normal Windows key. Of course, you can use it whenever you want, which with any computer or virtual machine is going to work just fine. But this is the OEM key, so the one that comes with the computer that you buy. So let's go ahead and get the information. For the purposes of this video, we are going to use cat, but you can use whatever command you want to use. You can use less, but I just prefer to use cat because it just gives me a real quick output of the content of this file. And if I hit enter, okay, it seems like I need permissions because it's on the sys folder, but is that not a problem? I can just go ahead and type in sudo and my root password. And here it is. As you can see, we have the Windows license key right here. Is this long number? So it's this 20 digits number with numbers and letters. So you just have to copy it, save it to your favorite location, and you can use it for later if you want. You can sell it online for like 15 or $20 if you're not going to use it anymore. In my case, I'm going to use it for a virtual machine that I have. I had a virtual machine set up right here, but I just remove it because I want to create one with VMware Player. I'm going to show you right here. So I just installed VMware Player to install Windows on here. I had it on QEMU and KVM, but as far as I know, Windows just have better performance with VMware because it has 3D acceleration drivers, and you can use up to 8 gigabytes of VRAM for Windows. So that's what we are going to do for the next video. We are going to show how to use this key to apply it to the virtual machine created on VMware. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, share it to someone else so that we can grow the channel, and see you on the next one. Peace.